I'm going to get your attention. Then I'm going to give you an insight. Okay, an insight is different than a sales pitch. And an insight is not, I can help you reduce your ad spend by 30%. You deliver an actual insight and then you collaboratively make the sale, which is what I coach to do. This is why technology salespeople and agency owners that embrace this process get 3, 4, 5 times more sales. And let me give you a real world example. Okay? I have a ton of people that call me all the time. They always lead with, I can either save you money here or make you money here, or save you time here or make your life easier here. Delete, 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 delete. They're not getting my attention, right? Let me go through a real world problem because some of you may have experienced this because we do 2 live Easton University coaching calls a week. As you may know, embarrassingly enough for me, on the last 2, we have had technological issues. I have had camera issues. I've had lighting issues. I had connectivity issues yesterday. Okay? I could have a ton of technology reps call me saying, hey, I could reduce your bill on this, or I could help you be more. Delete, delete, delete. Hey, Matt, this is Mike Adams with Adams Technology. You and I are connected on LinkedIn. Love your videos, by the way. Hey, I was looking at your videos and I've got an idea I wanted to get your opinion on. Could you call me on my mobile? 720-660-3202. I'm going to probably call him back. Hey, Mike, Matt Easton, founder of Easton University. Yeah, what was your idea? Yeah, Matt, thanks for giving me a call back. So one of the things that we're seeing is business owners, especially small and mid-sized business owners like yourself. I know you're in front of the camera a lot. You probably have people, they're running around doing a ton of stuff. Although there's a lot of options out there for technology, what they're really looking for is somebody that's going to come in and make sure that everything is operating, that it's the right cameras, the right software, the right setup, so that you're not right in the middle of working and having something going down. By the way, how do you handle that now? Not, how is that something you're seeing? By the way, is that something you're seeing is not skillful, because nobody's going to admit they have a problem. But if you just say, how are you handling that challenge right now? Man, so here's how we're handling it right now, Mike, is my last 2 sessions, I've had to cut everything, move up to my office, move from the studio to my office. Totally embarrassing. I had 193 people on a session yesterday, and the freaking camera went out. Man, you know, does it make sense for you and I to get together? I'd like to walk you through what we're able to do. And honestly, if you tell me what setup you're using right now, I might even be able to make some recommendations where you don't even have to do business with me, to where maybe there's a set. I don't think this is the case, but maybe there's a setting in the way your lights are set up right now where I could fix that. I'd be happy to either swing by your corporate headquarters or we could set up a Zoom. Yeah. Now and I was just thinking about this last night, and I'm not trying to cost myself a ton of money. If somebody called me with that message, because we're getting ready to move our corporate headquarters out of state, okay? If somebody called me with that message, do you think I would care that there was another company out there that could build a professional recording studio for 20% less? No. I want to work with the person that goes, hey, based on what you told me, you have 4 people in the office at any time. They're doing the work of 8 people. You need to get in front of the camera, push a couple buttons, and you know it works, right? Because of the fact that you said that, I've scoped this out with what we call our bulletproof package. Not only are you going to have the bulletproof package, but if something goes wrong, I am a phone call away. And if I need to get on a plane and fix it, I will be there the next day, right? Does it make sense to hire me to build your new studio?